that's a good shot. Just little dents and scratches. There's another one. It's everywhere. And there's a little bit in the hood there. Barely see that one. You can definitely see that one. And that's where we started. Back to where we started. But what I wanted to talk to you guys about, I wanted to show you something here. This bulb. I don't know if you can see it, but the bulb's kind of crooked in there. Here's what it's supposed to look like. You can't see it. That's because that one's centered. But anyway, for 2011, I jacked up this thing. So, I got these. Oh, that's a good shot. Look at these dents. Beautiful paint, but then, except for there's some scratches here on the bumper. But other than that, the paint looks really nice. And there's dents. It's where the worst of the dents are. I'd say over here too. Oh, see the door there. And this hood. Take care of those things though, it'd be not bad. Not bad. The rest of this hood, you can barely see it, but there's something right there in the hood too. Not bad though. There's another dent right there. Another scratch. Little dents and scratches here and there. I think somebody got mad. It was done before I got it. Oh, that's a good shot. Not even the second owner. Anyway, and then these things, man, they're supposed to be like some sort of mud guards. I've been trying to peel them off, but man, they are so hard. The paint underneath them looks good. I can see this little tiny piece. So, yeah. I don't know how much the other side I got off. It's not bad. Not bad looking interior. It's getting dark here. Why I do this now? I forgot what I was doing. Look at something. There's dents though. It is what it is. Also the speakers. Like there's only like one speaker working. I don't know why. I looked at the speakers there. It just doesn't work. I took up another speaker to that front left door and it played. So this got me thinking that the speaker itself's got a problem or something going on there. What have we got here? Good, we are recording. Alright, so yeah, to fix the tail lights. These high quality lights. These high quality taillights. Epic lighting. Made in Taiwan. It says eagle eyes on the box. And they're fragile. So I see. They're fragile. What have we got? The unboxing. Taillight unboxing. Ooh, there's one. Looks simple enough. They come with the light bulbs. Seems simple enough. And the backs just have 3 10mm bolts. Let's see. See, that's the blue paint. There's more around the edge. It's not that bad. Somebody spilled some blue latex paint. Oh yeah. 3 little bolts, 10mm. What the heck? I don't even know. It's a miracle this was working. View from inside the taillight housing. Can we turn the light? Let's turn the flash off. No, we didn't get it. Nope, missed it again. That got it. Ah, there we go. Okay. Look at that. It's the view outside the lights. See my hand? That's what a taillight sees. Oh, this would be good for a music video. Ah. Okay. Yeah. So yeah, that's what these crappy things look like. And should make a nice positive. Like I said, the old ones worked. They just look like poop. We'll get those put in. We'll try them out. Give you guys a good rundown of what we have here. Since, okay, we have buttons here. That doesn't do what I want it to do. But that's what I wanted, dadgummit, the mileage. You know the coolant, dadgummit. I know the air pressure, we need to put some air in the tires. Alright, here we go, people. That's the actual mileage. Now, crank it up. You will notice. I'm going to turn the AC off. We don't need it anyway. Anyway. Check engine light. The code is for the exhaust cam sensor. The engine runs and drives great. Either one of 2 things are occurring. One of 3 things. Either the exhaust cam has a slight twist in it, throwing the sensor off, or the ring that's pressed on the end of it has spun a little bit and is throwing that sensor off, or I'm actually a tooth off somehow and the exhaust cam is actually out of time. Now I've double checked it now. I don't want to triple check it. I know I should. Something tells me just buy a cam and be done with it, because it probably could be the cam itself. It's not like I can repress that piece on the end, even if it is just the ring on the end that is spun. I will show you what I'm talking about. So I will show you. But yeah, cold AC, hot heat, great thing, runs perfect, but this check engine light. But it's not negative necessarily. I tried spraying it off with a hose earlier. I didn't get all these leaves out. Anyway. Yeah. So this is a dual overhead cam engine. And the cams are right there under the valve cover. They're not that hard to do. You know, and the cheapest I could find a stock, you know, brand new exhaust cam would be $100. It's the 2.2 Ecotech. This is the one I did. I ported and polished this head. It's a nicely ready to do something with this engine. Nice. It's just, man. Someone could put a header back here, and yeah. This could be really nice, you know. But yeah, the engine's perfect now. It's got brand new timing chains, all that good stuff. Did not do a balance or delete or any of that. Not on this one. Kept this engine stock. But if you wanted to, with the port and polish done to the head, it's very mild. Didn't like dig it out. I just more than anything, we've just shined it up in there and smoothed it down. That's it. That's all that's been done to that head. The ports were smoothed down a little bit while it was off, and we put stainless steel valves in. But I think that was kind of a requirement for the flex fuel. This is a flex fuel vehicle, people. Flex fuel. I'm a salesman. Why? Because this car's for sale and I'd like to sell it. It's pretty nice. Let me show you what it looks like when you can't see the leaves. Look at that. Looks even better. That's ready to go get some groceries, right? That's grocery time, right? Check it out. I wanted to do something. I might have this off. Also, I got as many of the dents out as I could. If you noticed earlier, in the earlier video, when we first showed this thing, it was riddled with dents. And now it looks like 100% better. There are some spots still. Now it doesn't. I don't know. Here's the thing, I couldn't get behind it too well. I could, but there's more skeleton framework behind there, so you have to get through these holes to get to that. I was using a bottle cap and stuff trying to do this, and it's just best I could get it. Best I could. You could get bond with that a little bit, or fiberglass or whatever. Do some resin filler or whatever. This thing could be beautiful again. I put new taillights in it. I'll show you some of that footage here in a minute. That's an old expired tag, people. I just put it there to put it there. Right? Well, the other thought was, check this out. The Cobb LED bulbs. Anyway, they're kind of neat. I don't have them on the unload lights are yellow still, but you can change them if you want. Those cost enough. I put enough money into this thing. If you knew how much money I've sunk into this engine, you know, you watch part one. Watch part one of this video. You want to see how much work went into this engine. But if you wanted to put stage 2 cams on it, you know, put about $800 into it. You could put an electric turbo on this thing. There's an electric turbo out there. You have to look up. It's either on Cletus McFarland's channel or somebody's channel. Somebody. Anyway. Yeah, let's drive this thing. Well, that sound good. Yeah, it's smooth too. That's what I'm saying, like, how? Let's see, let me just get on it. Let's see, ready to send it? This is what I'm talking about. Okay, I better back up, we're going the wrong way. Okay. I can't send it that way. See, it says do not enter. Oh my God, I can't read. Anyway, there's a check engine light. Okay, we're gonna do it again. Alright, we're not gonna do it anymore. But trust me, it gets up and goes. Look at the ducks. Look at them ducks. Look at them ducks. What are you ducks doing? What are you guys doing? Duckies. Alright everybody, thanks for watching. This is how fast I normally drive. I just wanted to say, you know, maybe like, subscribe, you know, click a video or something.